Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Unity Car. The all-new 2025 Maruti Suzuki Swift is here, and it's turning heads like never before. This is not just a facelift, but a complete revolution in Swift's legacy. If you think you've seen the best of Swift, wait till you witness this masterpiece. Maruti Suzuki has completely redefined the Swift's exterior design, giving it a sharper, more aggressive stance. The front grille is now larger with a honeycomb pattern, making it look sportier than ever. The LED headlights are slimmer and more angular, seamlessly integrating with the DRLs to create a futuristic appeal. The bonnet is sculpted to enhance aerodynamics, giving the car a sleek yet muscular appearance. On the side, the 2025 Swift retains its compact charm but with more pronounced character lines. The door handles are now positioned conventionally, unlike the previous generation's C-pillar integration, giving it a cleaner look. The alloy wheels get a fresh dual-tone design, perfectly complementing the car's dynamic personality. The blacked-out pillars continue to provide the signature floating roof effect, adding a premium touch. At the rear, the new Swift features a redesigned bumper with sharp creases and integrated reflectors. The taillights have been revamped with a C-shaped LED signature, making it instantly recognizable. The roof-mounted spoiler is sportier, hinting at its fun-to-drive nature. Maruti has also slightly increased the car's width, giving it a more planted stance on the road. With its aerodynamic enhancements and bold styling, the 2025 Swift isn't just about looks, it's about making a statement every time it hits the streets. Want to see this beauty in motion? Stay tuned for a full walkaround of this game-changing hatchback. Subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching Unity Card and goodbye, take care.